Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about some important formulas related to thermodynamics with the hope definitely these formulas will be helpful to you during your exams, especially competitive exams. So thermodynamics process, you can see we have the process like isothermal process, isochoric process, isobaric process, adiabatic process. What does it mean? In isothermal process, T constant, dt and del T is equal to 0. In isochoric process, volume constant, dV and del V is equal to 0. In isobaric process, pressure constant, dP and del P is equal to 0. In adiabatic process, Q is equal to 0 or heat exchange with the surrounding 0. Now friends, IUPAC sign convention about heat and work. Work done on the system, positive. Work done by the system, negative. Now friends, first law of thermodynamics. Del U is equal to U2 minus U1 is equal to Q plus W. You know the meaning of U here, you know the W of Q. So first you practice it, then read the books of chapters thermodynamics. Law of equipartitions of energy. U is equal to F divided by 2 nRT only for ideal gas, and del E is equal to F by 2 nR here del T, where F degree of freedom for that gas, translational and plus rotational. F is equal to 3 for monoatomic, F is equal to 5 for diatomic or linear polyatomic, and F is equal to 6 for non-linear polyatomics. Now friends, calculation of heat means Q, small q. Total heat capacity is equal to Ct is equal to del Q by delta T is equal to dQ by dt, small change, is equal to joule per degree Celsius. Molar heat capacity C is equal to del Q n delta T is equal to dQ n dt is equal to joule per mole per Kelvin. Specific heat capacity, you know friends, S is equal to del Q m delta T is equal to dQ m dt is equal to joule gram per m per K. So friends, now I will discuss about the work done. You know about the work done. Work done is represented by W. So isothermal reversible expansions or compression of an gas, W is equal to minus nRT ln V final divided by V initial. V final divided by V initial. Friend, reversible and irreversible isochoric process, since dV is equal to 0, so dW is equal to minus P ext dot dV is equal to 0. Now friend, reversible isobaric process, W is equal to P V final minus V initial. Adiabatic reversible expansions, T2 V2 gamma inverse 1, T1 V1 gamma 1 minus 1. Now friend, reversible work, W is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 divided by gamma minus 1 is equal to nR T2 minus T1 divided by gamma minus 1. Now friends, irreversible work, W is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 divided by gamma minus 1 nR T2 minus T1 divided by gamma minus 1 is equal to nCV T2 minus T1 is equal to minus P external V2 minus V1, and use P1 V1 T1 is equal to P2 V2 T2. Now friend, free expansion always going to be irreversible, and since Pext is equal to 0, so dW is equal to minus Pxt dot dV is equal to 0. If no heat is supplied, Q is equal to 0, then del E is equal to 0, so del T is equal to 0. So friend, application of first law, del EU is equal to del Q plus del W is equal to delta U is equal to del Q minus P del V. Just remember it is. So delta W is equal to minus P delta V. Constant volume process, heat given at constant volume is equal to change in internal energy. So du is equal to dq at constant volume, du is equal to ncv dt, ncv is equal to 1 by n dot du by dt is equal to f by 2 r. Now friends, constant pressure process H enthalpy, state function in extensive properties. So H is equal to U plus PV, and Cp minus Cv is equal to R only for ideal gas. Now friends, I will talk about the second law of thermodynamics. Del S universe is equal to del S system plus del S surrounding greater than 0 for a spontaneous process. Entropy, it is represented by capital S. Del S system is equal to integrate over A to B dq reversible by dt. Entropy calculation for an ideal gas undergoing a process, state A irreversible, del S irreversible, state B. So P1 V1 T1, P2 V2 T2. So del S system is equal to NCV ln T2 by T1 plus NR ln V2 by V1 only for an ideal gas. Now friends, third law of thermodynamics. The entropy of perfect crystals of all pure elements and compounds is 0 at the absolute 0 of temperature. So Gibbs free energy, it is represented by capital G, state function and extensive properties. So del G system is equal to H system minus T S system. So criteria for spontaneity, if del G system is negative, 0 greater than this value, so process is spontaneous. If del G system is greater than 0, process is non-spontaneous. If del G system is equal to 0, then system is at equilibrium. Now friends, physical interpretation of del G. The maximum amount of non-expansional compressions work which can be performed, del G is equal to dW non-expansion is equal to dH minus T del TdS. So friends, standard free energy change del G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log 10 K. At equilibrium del G is equal to 0. The decrease in free energy minus del G is given as minus del G is equal to W net is equal to 2.303 nRT log 10 P2 by P1. Now next formula, del G F standard for elemental state is 0, and standard del G F is equal to G products minus standard G reactants. Now friends, thermochemistry. Change in standard enthalpy, del H naught enthalpy, so del H2 minus del H1, heat added at the constant pressure, so Cp delta T. If H product is greater than H reactant, the reaction should be endothermic, as we have to give extra heat to reactants to get these converted into products. So this is the relationship. Reactions will be exothermic as the extra heat content of reactants will be released during the reactions. So enthalpy change of the reaction. So you can see reaction product minus reactants and reactions product minus reactants. So positive endothermic and negative exothermic. Now friends, temperature dependence of del H, Kirchhoff's equations. for a constant pressure reactions del Ht naught del H naught plus Cp del Cp T2 minus T1, where del Cp Cp products and Cp reactants. For a constant volume reactions del E2 del E1 plus integral over delta Cv dt. Enthalpy of reactions from enthalpies of formations. The enthalpies of reactions can be calculated by del R, this is the reactions standard, summation of Vb del F naught products minus summations Vb del H F naught reactants. So Vb is the stoichiometric coefficients. So estimations of enthalpy of reactions from bond enthalpy. Del H is equal to enthalpy required to break reactants into gaseous atoms minus enthalpy released to form products from the gaseous atom. Now friend, resource resonance energy. Del H naught resonance is equal to del H naught F experimental minus del H naught F calculated. So this is the relations. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.